how do you send email over IBC? 'Cause there's a there's an
Oh,
IBC
okay.
mail
Yes.
client that I'm
Yes.
curious about.
Yeah, so IBC Mail is something that we did for the Celestia Infinite Bazaar hackathon, and it is potentially the most inefficient messaging system ever created. But it allows one abstract account to talk to another abstract account on any of the chains. And so the original idea behind this was anyone could spin up their new rollup. You can have the SEB 3.0 rollup right now. And if you're connected to any of the other abstract enabled chains, you're of course going to want to be able to communicate with them. You're going to want to send Adair a message on the Adair rollup.
Yeah.
And so you can install the IBC Mail client and send a message to Adair, and you just specify the path. So if we're 3 hops away, let's say that you have to go from Osmosis, Archway, and then Adair, then you'd specify that kind of like subdomain path. You'd be Adair at archway.osmosis, and then it would resolve this path and send me a message on my client.
What's the
And
use case for this? I mean, is it like notifications, airdrop notifications, or I don't know, like why would you use this?
so, okay, the original idea was actually to have DAOs be able to message individuals on their favorite chains. So if I have if I'm RackFM DAO or something, and I have a bunch of users on Juno, Osmosis, and Neutron, I would want to send a blast notification to them with, hey, there's a new proposal to vote on. And that proposal would be included in the body of the message that gets sent to them. And then on their receiving chains, they would be able to interact with that proposal and say yes, no, or abstain directly from that message, which would send the message back and enable just a lot smoother experience as a user. The second thing that this enables is more social applications. So if you think about the early days of the internet, we had these bulletin board services between multiple different chains or multiple different computers or networks. And this mail application also can serve as a bulletin board for each individual. And I think this adds a lot more fun social components to it. So if you have a bad kid, I can post a message on your bad kid board and anyone else can see it. Or maybe I can send some tokens or something like that. It's just fun.
Yeah, no, it's cool. I mean, I think there's some interesting use cases here, maybe for like DAOs messaging their users. I know that there's like other protocols that are doing sort of similar things in Ethereum, like this Ethereum push notification service or like these sorts of things.